Have you heard these facts about birds before? Flamingos can drink boiling water. Flamingos have a special gland in their head that filters out salt from the water they drink, allowing them to drink water as hot as 60 degrees C. Pigeons can recognize themselves. Pigeons have been shown to recognize themselves in a mirror, a trait previously thought to be unique to humans and a few other higher mammals. Crows have been known to make tools. Crows are incredibly intelligent birds and have been observed using tools to obtain food, such as using sticks to extract insects from crevices. Hummingbirds are incredibly agile. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. They are also incredibly agile, able to hover in place and even fly upside down. Subscribe and wait for more.